All my friends, welcome to Hobbies and Earning channel. Hobbies are the part of life. I have so many hobbies, and here you have seen different worldwide coins I can arranged or managed in an album. And here is a complete album of coins collection I have. Some are new coins, some are old coins. And in this video I can provide you every information about the coins, themes, coins, compositions, front and back images. What about the diameter? What about the thickness of the coin? And my friends, which first time watching my videos, kindly subscribe my channel, Hobbies and Earnings. Okay, let's start today's videos about. Here you have seen a beautiful Hungarian coin. Yeah, it's to be a Hungary coin of 50 forint. That is the back side of the coin that represents the mint mark of the Hungary 15 forint coin. And here is to be the front side. The theme of the coin is the sitting of the Seker falcon to celebrate the species of the falcons. The diameter of the coin, here is to be the diameter of the coin is to be a 27.4 mm, and the thickness, that's the thickness. Some have a standard thickness, some have a minor thickness. One here is to be a thickness is to be 1.7 mm of Hungarian 15 foreign coin. As regard the mass of the coin, yes, to be the mass, the weight of the coin is to be 7.7 grams. And the coin, the year, obviously there are so many years, Hungarians publish so many coins, and the year is to be a 2007 year coins of the Hungaries. And here is to be the edge. It is a smooth edge. Yeah, here is to check it on the smooth edge, just like a thickness as you mentioned in. That is a smooth edge. And the composition of the Hungarian coin is to be a copper and nickel. It is to be a copper and nickel. 75% copper and 25% is to be a nickel of Hungarian 15 forint coin. Kindly like and subscribe my channel to keep in touch next coming videos. By Asim Nawaz from Hobbies and Earnings.